Welcome back, everyone. Today we're gonna dive into a latest tech to enhance your lifestyle. Today we're exploring the Kiwi Ears Spark, a pair of open-ear Bluetooth earphones designed for active individuals seeking comfort without compromising on sound quality. Let's unpack what makes these earphones stand out. Let's go. Now, the Kiwi Ears Spark boasts an open wearable stereo design, ensuring a secure fit during your workouts, commutes, or daily activities. Now, it only weighs 8.7 grams per earbud, and they rest comfortably without entering the ear canal, allowing for ambient awareness, which is actually a crucial feature for outdoor enthusiasts and commuters. Now, the IP45 rating means that they're resistant to dust, moisture, and sweat, making them a reliable companion for various environments. Now, when it comes to sound, the Spark doesn't disappoint. Equipped with the 17 by 12 millimeter dynamic transducer, it delivers balanced audio with clear mids and highs. While the open ear design limits the deep bass, the overall sound profile remains impressive for its category. Now, the Spark supports SBC, AAC, and aptX codecs, ensuring compatibility across various devices.
Now, connecting it with your phone is super easy. All you need to do is go to settings and go to your Bluetooth, put the Kiwi Ears Spark to your ears, and basically it'll just show up on your Bluetooth devices that is not yet synced. You click that and it's connected. That's super easy.
Now, it features Bluetooth 5.2 and the QCC3040 chipset. The Spark ensures stable connectivity within 12-meter range, and the earbud supports dual ear call functionality. Now, the touch controls on each earbud allows for easy management of playback and calls. Additionally, voice assistant integration, including Siri, adds to the hands-free convenience.
So right now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna test out the sound that comes out of this, and then also we're gonna show you the touch controls as we go along here.
Gaming mode off. Gaming mode on. Messing with my head again. You had your heart set.
Now, battery performance is crucial, and the Spark delivers. You get approximately 7 hours of playback at 70% volume and 5 hours of talk time at maximum volume. Now, the 1000 milliamp hour charging case also provides 2 to 3 additional charges with both earbuds, and case reaching full charge in under 1.5 hours via USB-C. Now, the case features a 3-color LED display, giving you a quick glance at battery levels. Now, if you're using these for calls, the Spark utilizes the 2718 silicon microphone with environmental noise cancellation.
So right now it is raining here. I'm using the Kiwi Ears Spark for the recording the audio. Just gonna show you guys what's going on out here. And of course you can hear the rain. Pretty windy as well today, so let me know what you think of this, if it's any good or not. But yeah, it's you be the judge of the noise canceling microphone.
This setup ensures clear communication by minimizing background noise, even in bustling environments. Now, in real-world usage, the Spark shines in scenarios where situational awareness is key, like jogging, cycling, or office work. Now, the open ear design keeps you connected to your surroundings while enjoying your audio. However, if you're seeking deep bass for genres like EDM or hip-hop, the open design might not provide the punch you're looking for. Now, this is also priced at $100. The Kiwi Ears Spark offers a blend of comfort, durability, and sound quality that's hard to beat for its category. It's available through the official Kiwi Ears website and authorized retailers like Linsole. Now, to wrap it all up, the Kiwi Ears Spark stands out as a top contender for those seeking open-ear wireless earbuds that don't compromise on quality. Now, its thoughtful design and reliable performance make it a worthy investment for active lifestyles. Now, if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth tech reviews. Now, drop your questions and experiences with the Spark in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next time. Peace!